Hello everyone, my name is Scott. Personally, I have driven my car for 2 years, and I know a lot of my friends who drive every day to work. So, in today's TED Talk, I want to share some advices about how to choose your first car as a student like me. Vehicle already become an essential part in people's life. People use it for working, traveling, shopping, and so on. It brings convenience and ease to our life because it helps us go from one place to another without breaking a sweat. Especially for engineers, we don't want to waste our previous time on the road or miss an important meeting due to certain transportation problem. Therefore, we should consider our first car as a daily drive very carefully.
I think there are three most important factors for choosing a daily drive: purpose, budget, and reliability. First is purpose. I would suggest students to think about what are you doing when you get your car. Some people would say drive of course, but you have to consider two elements, time and location. In the same word, how long would you drive your car, and where would you drive your car normally? Apparently, it is not a good choice to drive a Lamborghini for several hours continuously. It is a big possibility to get a sore back and noisy ears. And you don't want to drive a pickup truck as your daily drive. If you are a software engineer working at Toronto downtown head office, your average fuel consumption could increase to over 20 liters per 100 kilometers, and it not be easy to park your truck. Also, it's not suitable to drive a Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic through construction field if you are a civil engineer or construction consultant who needs to go off-road construction field very often. So, what I'm trying to say is to choose your car to match with your purpose. This is the most important factor to choose your car. Second factor is budget. Many students think only the price of vehicle is the only consideration for your budget. That would not be enough to manage your budget. It is very simple to choose which car's retail price is affordable, which one is not. But how about later service and maintenance cost? For example, in the same level, BMW 3 Series, Audi A4, and the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, the retail price for those three cars are not much different. However, BMW has 4 year or 80,000 kilometers free maintenance service. Audi has Audi Care to cover with 70,000 kilometers or 5 years from the original vehicle in service date, whichever comes first. But Benz has nothing for maintenance promotion. In the other word, to compare luxury cars and economic cars, even luxury cars have better fuel economy and fewer times to oil change than economic cars, but economic cars could fuel with lower grade gas and non-synthetic oil, which are lower cost than luxury cars. Therefore, at time to compare the retail price of vehicles, maintenance cost and times to do service are other considerations for budget. Last but not least, reliability. When you keep a car, you don't want to go to dealership every month to check the vehicle problems. You don't want to stop at the middle of the road when you are driving to work or traveling with your family. You also don't want to replace your vehicle component one by one after only several years. Therefore, reliability is another important factor to consider when you choose your car.